Classical conditioning is learning to associate two stimuli. Here, Nessy learned to associate the sound of the clicker with food. Initially, the clicker was a neutral stimulus because it had meant nothing to her. The food was the unconditioned stimulus because it triggered a natural response or the eating of the food. The unconditioned response or natural response would be salivating. The clicker then became the conditioned stimulus because of its association with food. The salivation at the sound of the clicker became the conditioned response.
That was so cool. Your nose, sweetheart.
Shaping is guiding behavior closer and closer to the desired effect. In teaching Nessy to roll a ball down a ramp, we started with a short ramp and gradually extended the ramp. When training Nessy, we often used her house as a reward for behaviors. Because we added something desirable, it was positive reinforcement.
Chaining is combining tricks together, such as the tricks used in the obstacle course.
A cognitive map is a mental representation of the layout of one's environment. After running through the maze a few times, Nessy began to create a cognitive map.
Acquisition is the initial learning in classical conditioning. After many failed attempts at crossing the dowel rod, Nessy finally succeeded, which is acquisition.
Law of effect says that rewarded behavior is likely to increase. After rewarding Nessy for jumping over to the desk many times, she eventually did it with little hesitation because she knew she would get a reward.